Today I show to the no back pain exercise. The exercise for no back pain. Okay. First, number one, you have to open shoulder width. Then forward to hold 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And turn to counterclockwise 90 degrees. And hold your hip position, don't rotate it. 90 degree turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 90 degree turning, counterclockwise. Hold your hip position, don't rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go back, 9 clockwise turning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turning again, 90 degrees. Hold your hip position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This is an exercise to help strengthen your back and help with back pain. We're here with Master Kim.
Okay, we go to again, hold on 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn left to 90 degrees. Hold your hip and 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on your hip position, turning 90 degrees. Counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get back and turning clockwise 90 degrees. Hold 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your hip hold. Again turning 90 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We're here with Master Kim. We're going to do a second exercise to heal your back, to strengthen your back.
Okay, same thing. All the open shoulder width, your two legs. Then try to do as possible as you can. Hold touch ground. Okay, it's very important. Then hold 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing. Turn left to 90 degrees. Hold 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn clockwise. Hold 90 degrees. Touch 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We're here with Master Kim. We're going to do the third exercise to help your back with back pain, lower back pain. It's going to strengthen your back. Here we go. Exercise 3.
Okay, so little bit open the wide the position, shoulder over shoulder width. Okay, then you to the arm straight up. Okay, then opposite your right hand touch your left foot. Okay, same thing here. Okay, now little bit speed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 times. Good.
We're here with Master Kim. We're going to do exercise number 4 to help your back, to strengthen your back so you don't have pain.
Exercise 4 is to starting Kung Fu to about Gungbo, deep front stance. Hold on 5 seconds to front side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing. Hold your hip position, turning counterclockwise 90 degrees. Hold 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the hip, don't rotate. And turning 90 degrees again. 5 seconds. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get back. Now switch your legs, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing. Hold your hip. Don't rotate. Turn clockwise. 90 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing. Turn clockwise all the way down to your back. See. 90 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you get back. Original positions.
We're here with Master Kim. We're going to do exercise number 5 to help heal your back pain. Everyone suffers, a lot of people suffer from pain, and this is going to help. Thank you. Go ahead, take it away, Master Kim. Exercise number 5.
Exercise number 5, you sit down position, okay? Then you go butterfly position, hold on foot. Try to do as fast as you can the butterfly position about 15 times. This warming up, you are inside the hip and connect your sciatic the nerve lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then you hold with your wrist, pull the ground your legs as fast as pulling down. About hold 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now rise, cross your leg on other legs. Hold on. You touch your knee on the ground as fast as you can down. Okay, that's why try to do 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's develop your inside the hip and outside the hip connected your sciatic line. Okay, same thing. You in the air hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to do touch on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is number 5.
Yes, sir. We're here with Master Kim. We're going to do exercise number 6 to help your back and heal, strengthen your back so you don't get pain. Go ahead.
Number 6, try to do already hold on as fast as you can. Your chin on your feet.
Yes, sir.
Try to do, but don't bounce. Just hold on. Keep going down for the 5 seconds or between 10 seconds. Gradually, flexibly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We're here with Master Kim. We're going to do exercise number 7 to help your back get strength and to help the pain go away. Here you go, number 7, exercise number 7 for back
number
pain.
7, now your right leg straight up. The same position, hand hold front 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hip hold on, don't rotation. 90 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn left again. 90 degree. I see back. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in the opposite. So about clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turning again, 90 degree, your back, hold your hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, exercise number 7 still?
Yeah,
okay.
7 still.
Here we go. To help your back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turning 90 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. now we touch ground each side. Now first left side first. Hold on. Front. Switch leg. Same thing. Try to touch with your legs. Then ground is chin.
We're here with Master Kim. We're going to do exercise number 8 to help your back.
Number 8, open shoulder width. Okay, as fast as you can. Repeat up. Try to do slow down. Slow up. Touch is your chin is forehead. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. Either side we practice. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We're here with Master Kim. We're going to do exercise number 9 to help strengthen your back and help with back pain.
Okay. Number 9, feet together. Try to do your whole body, upper body. Try to do moving forward. Then touch is chin or forehead is to the legs. Hold on 5 seconds.
We're here with Master Kim. We're going to do exercise number 10 to help heal your back. Here you go, number 10, exercise.
Number 10, try to do all knee down to floor, all pull up your 2 arms. Try to do hold. This position, pulling your 2 arms. Hold 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We're here with Master Kim. We're going to do exercise number 11 to help strengthen your back. And this is good for all sports, to help with all sports and to help to heal your back pain. Here we go, exercise number 11.
Okay, your leg all the way to straight up. Sideways. Try to do upper lean 10 times. Hold on this position. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Either side. 9 now you up. Nice side. Same thing. Position here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We're here with Master Kim. We're going to do exercise number 12 to help your back, heal your back, and strengthen your back.
Okay, number 12, you have a kneel down position. Left leg bending, hold touch, and hold your 2 hands pull up. Then leg is the pull up. Okay, that position, that is each side, either side. You down forward pull up, upper body pull up. Okay, pull up. That position, hold 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 now, other side, right? Right leg bending, left leg lift it up, floor. This position same thing. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We're here with Master Kim with the Master Kim Says show on how to heal your back. And here we go, exercise number 13.
Okay, number 13, repeat up, bend your knee, touch your knee with your chin. Try to do, repeat up, hold on 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side same. Bending, lift it up, bring your upward, touch your chins as possible as you can. Hold 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We're here with Master Kim to do exercise number 14 with the new Master Kim Says show on how to heal your back, how to keep your back strengthened and decrease back pain. Go ahead.
Okay. We go this one, back up. 1, 2, 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We're here with Master Kim with the new Master Kim Says show, and it's on back pain to strengthen your back. Exercise number 15.
Yeah. We got 9 now, technique number 15. Number 15, try to do bending, then lift it up your in the air 90 degrees as fast as you can. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We're here at Master Kim to do exercise number 16 on how to heal your back.
Okay, technique number 16, try to do your body upper body hold on, okay, 5 seconds. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the sit up position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Bottom line, you hold your foot is touch ground. Okay? That technique. 10 times.
We're going to do number 17, exercise number 17 to help heal your back.
Technique number 17, 9 hip positions. Try to do the hold hand, 2 hand reach out back. Okay, then you try to do feet to other knee touch ground either side. Either side. That's why you automatically your hip rotated too. That's connect your disc line sciatic. This I go out to people go warm up. I try to 20 times. So I try to each side 10 times, then 20 times. I just count 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.